on this morning. I'm at beautiful Sunday morning in Cavehill Country Park. We're going to do the Green Trail and I hope you enjoy. It's just nice to be out and about and that. Just 1 mile in, the trail pasture good, nicely signposted out, but as usual folks, plastic bottles lying here 1 mile from the end of the trail, so there must be a lazy thing people through are to destroy your woods in your countryside like this. Stunning views this morning across Belfast, the harbour, nice blue skies, plenty of people about. So far the trail's pretty good, pretty solid. Wee bit lost. Signpost just for the castle at the end of the trail wasn't good. But saying that, I asked a few people and they got me in the right direction again, but I would say within a quarter mile from the car. Okay guys, that's it, we trail over. It's 4.5 miles, 1 hour 40 minutes. Lovely day. Passed for good, one signpost, wee bit dodgy at the end, but got home. Listen, if you're new to the channel, please press subscribe, press bell for a reminder when I put the videos. I'm going to try and have a video up once every week. But thank you for your support so far, and please like and share.